Tangiye a 6 to 17 production. A 6 to 17. Gatandatu kugeza 17 production. Kare New Mexico. Christmas Eve wari umunsi wa Noheli. Abantu bya Noheli barabitaka cyane cyane ibihugu bya ngorofoni. Bataka Noheli shawo. Bari barimo gutaka hakuno hari umuryango rwose wari unezerewe. Umugabo arimo gutaka Noheli.
Tommy, if you ever want to call me friend again, you help me right now.
Tom, niba uje kumva nano ngo tujye ku kazi ntabwo nshobora nonanga.
I've always managed to pull it off.
Oya ntabwo ariko bimeze mushuti nanjye I just pulled off. Nanjye nibwo nari nyiva ku kazi. Tom na mugenzi we bari bitaye Tom aje gusura mushuti.
Find out real quick.
Mushuti kumva afite cyamuro runywere rwose ni ikidahume cyiza cyane.
She's giving me that stainless steel barber.
I don't know.
You know what she's...
Nari mbizi ko Karen ari buntangaza nkuko nawe umugore wawe gutunguye murabizi namwe. Uyu nawe afite umudamu witwa Karen gusa yaraje gushura inshuti n'abapolisi babiri bari mu nshingano mu kazi. Harebye neza.
Yeah.
Ako nake undati cyane.
Why, you don't like it?
Kubera icyo nagakunze. Oya ni case.
Well, now your daddy helped me pick it out.
Oya mbwira niba ukumva kishimi B. Ashaka kumera umugore dutangaza turi bufure. Ubwo arimo arashaka ikisha. Uzi ko ushobora kumuha umudari ugashiduka nawe ushaka kuzaniye inuza isaha cyangwa bote cyangwa amasogisi yo kwambika bote. Akwiyamye sha. Baraganiraga.
Then your gift for me better be really good.
It is. I maxed out your card.
Ortiz, ndacheki chakula kirateguye. Umeze neza Tom?
Yeah. Between an ex-wife and a teenage daughter, you wonder why I'm broke all the time?
Well, I'm starting to figure it out, I'll tell you that much.
When are you guys gonna have kids?
Well, you know what? It might be sooner than you think.
Yambaje se muzagira ryarabana undi ati byo ngibyo bitinda tuzabagira vuba. Uri uhagaze Ortiz arimo arabaza Tom. Tuza just relax we tuza gusa. Ibyishimo ni byose Noheli yari yabaye uri yari marategura mu nzu amatara ara kukavuga ubuti koko Yesu agiye kuvuka do. Bakiraho.
I told you I could count on you, now didn't I?
Nakubwi. Peja. Mana nyagasani ku kazi. Kana gatangaza abapolisi ni baje baruhuka. N'uyu nawe baramwoherereza.
It's Christmas Eve.
I know, baby.
Ni Noheli byibuse. Kumva mukundwa. Ntabwo ari twebwe natwe nabanyacyaha buri aba batuma tujya ku majobo uzi tubigeze bajya nabi bidaho polisi akaruhuko no kuri Noheli bigira nabi bakajya ku kazi basi kiraka cyabonetse bafashe inzira bava mu rugo niki kibaye cyese kiriya niko mu Faransa baza ngo niki kiri ko bagafashe inzira.
Could be a career moment for us. We have a location on the line.
Reliable?
Well, the tip comes from a guy who claims he's his father. He thinks his son is a lion and he can't keep it secret anymore. This is it, gentlemen. After 3 years of hard work, we've got the break we've been waiting for. We've received a credible tip concerning the whereabouts of the lion.
Uyu mugabo yarabatse nyuma y'imyaka 3 turi ku kirago cyo gushaka umugabo witwa Wayne.
Wanted for assassinations all over the world.
Twaje kumenya ko Wayne ari hano n'umwicanyi mpuzamahanga yakomeje kwica abantu ku isi n'umwicanyi mpuzamahanga. Imana ishimwe ngo tumenya wari murabizi byo kumukorera. Twaje gufata umwicanyi mpuzamahanga terrorist. He has been attacking all over the world. Yatakaga ku isi hose. Bamwita Wayne. Baje kureba Wayne mu nyubako. Polisi ngaba fandara babwiye mwumve basore.
This guy's a loose cannon.
Tom nababwira basore bari kumwe.
Yes. Well, I'll be opening up presents by tomorrow morning with the families. Got it?
Ndabinginze mwese muze kungira imbabazi tugiye kwinjiramo sinshaka kujya ngo aze kuvamo n'umuraswa kuko uyu munsi ni wa Noheli muranyumva tujye mu rugo dufata twa saa sita bateye nijoro icyo cyebe mpuzamahanga sinzi ko kigenda ari uko gifite pensi gusa kuko kwataka isi ugomba muretse nacyo cyatati wacyo baka uriya mu yindi kipe bajyana nayo basigarana n'indi cyebe mpuzamahanga international terrorist ko bakerekeye aho bayerekeye ngo cyitwa Wayne bamaze imyaka 3 leta ya Amerika irimo kukigaho. Bavuye muri Noheli police n'ibikoresho we bamaye na bulletproof vest antibody nyubako batangira kwitabagura barinjira we bafite byagatari na bimwe mimena inzugi nta guteguza ikihebe terrorist.
Left for living room. Living room and kitchen secure.
10-3 in the air. Tell me get down to the basement now.
Coming now.
baramuhamagaye Tom, araho bari bamaze kuvumbura Tom, twabonye ngira ngo aho ugomba kuza. Otis aramuhamagaye mugenzi we, umunya Mexico wibera muri Amerika, bari mu rwa New Mexico.
This is bad, man.
Mwana ni bibi. It's bad, man. Ibi ngibi ni bibi mwana. Tom agiye kwerekera usanga n'umudamu arafunze. Tom.
Like a perimeter, man. It's like 20 pounds C4.
Mugabo yateze icyumba cyose za C4 ni ibisasu. Nyewe. Sasu. Telefoni yaririye neza uruhande rwa wa mudamu. By'ubwoko bwa C4, umva amagambo hano. Muri yangana ko arazamo za pose cyebe kiravuga.
Detective Armstrong.
Who is this?
Ninde?
Do not speak until you're asked a specific question, at which point you will simply say yes or no.
I need a trip.
Ntabwo wambaza cyereka nkubajije ukemera yego cyangwa hoya.
Confirm immediately. Copy.
Kiramamagaye mushakisha uburyo mwakurura telefone
Phone. Do not call me motherfucker.
Urumva ijambo rya mbere yamubwiye ntuze kunyita icyo kigambo gihe sinagisubiramo.
Tell
Urumva?
me that you'll hunt me down and kill me. Honestly, that will do no good.
Gwitekereza ko ushobora kumiga ukambona mukanyica ibyo ntabwo bishoboka.
Clear so far.
Yes.
Good.
Uranyumva ndatwa?
This is
None.
important. If anyone tries to leave the basement or cross that black line, everyone in the house will die.
Nihagira umupolisi n'umwe mubinje muri icyo cyumba ugerageza kuva muri icyo cyumba uhagazemo, mwese murapfa. Kwanza binjiye arabafunze. Hateze ibyumba ibisasu cawe. Hateze kamera zibareba.
Nobody move.
Yewe hatagira uva wari we. Kirimo kiratureba mutadoye mukiro.
I repeat, all portals are triggered.
Unsubsequent to the place is locked.
Ibyumba byose birimo ibisasu. Hello?
Look closely at your wife's bosom. You'll see a red heart.
Urabona mu gituza cy'umudamu wa kantu gashushanyije nk'umutima.
The trigger shut-off control is taped
Ako niko gahagarika ibisasu guturika kwabyo.
to behind the heart.
No kugira ngo ibisasu bihagarare ni umugore wawe ubihagarika.
Well, what's he carrying, an MP5? Take it from him now, would you please?
MP, now.
Bati mwe mu mbunda z'abagenzi bawe zifite za target ndarayifata. None
You have a decision to make.
ufite imyanzuro ugiye gufata.
Shut off the controls by shooting your wife,
Urarasa umugore wawe mu gituza ibisasu byose bihagarare guturika uko ni wonyine hari detonator. Cyangwa se
Why are you doing
wo kumurasa
my entire South
mugerageze gusohoka mwese mupfe.
came here to do my job.
Ndi hano ndakora akazi kanjye we. I came here to do my job.
Else, either your life or your sanity. Doesn't matter to me which you choose.
Ari ubuzima bw'umugore wawe ari ubwanyu simbyitaho.
Can't afford me, Tom. I have to lower my standards.
Tom ngiye tegeko hano.
Make you a target.
Wowe uri igipimo.
I'll find you. You know that.
Nzakubona urabizi.
I suggest you apprise your men of their situation. You have 3 minutes and 25 seconds.
Jesus, Tom, please.
Ufite iminota 2 n'amasegonda 15. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Nako n'amasegonda 15.
You gotta talk to me. This is the first time.
Akubwira ibiki uwo mugabo ra.
See a full shut-off switch is a glass tube taped to Kelly's chest. What the fuck does that mean?
Ibisasu yateze hano kugira ngo byose bitegururwe n'ukurasa umugore wanjye mu gituza niwe yamuteze akazi ushobora kubitegurura.
Deactivate the explosives. I have to shoot the switch. And what if you don't?
Ukora iki?
Then we all die. I want to negotiate.
There's no
Kumvikana.
negotiating. Tom, I told you, it's in motion. I pushed the button.
Wumva nakumvikana kandi ntabwo nshaka kujya uzana ibintu by'amarangamutima ndakurimba rutso hano jewe muraturika mwese.
Explosives don't have an off switch. You kill all of your men, make their wives widows.
Yica abagabo bagenzi mwinjiranye aho ngaho n'umugore wawe abagore babo babapfakazi n'ubutarasha umugore wawe.
Leave all their children fatherless.
Abana babo nabo b'imfubyi babure basi uko muri aho mu cyumba mwese murashya.
Or shut off the switch. You have 2.5 minutes.
Cyangwa urasiyo mbarutso iri igituza cy'umugore wawe ufite iminota 2. Ya masegonda yakuyeho.
I say we smash the cameras, grab Kelly, and run like hell. He can light this place up a lot faster than we can run.
Now you make
Reka tuzimya amatara duhite dusohoka umugabo aratureba.
it is not an option. Saving your wife is not an option.
You listen.
Gutabara umugore wawe si ugusama yitama gutabara abagenzi basama yitama tutu nzakubona. Nakubwiye ngo nunuka kandi ndagwemukira birenze. Mana nyagasani. Madame ari hariya mu gituza niyo agomba gupima target.
You listen to me.
Yumva.
I'm begging you now. All right.
None ndakwinginze.
You don't take this out of my wife. You understand me?
Ntabwo nakwica
I'm
umugore.
not taking it out on her. In fact, Kelly and I had a very nice conversation. And I made sure that when you shut the switch off, She won't feel a thing. You're the one that has to listen.
menye neza nuramuka utarasha imbarutso hakagira n'umusohoka mwese ko muri icyo cyumba murahira hamwe ndimo ndabacunga ndabareba.
You have me. You understand me?
Nzakubona wa mugabo. Tom.
I wanted it to be that easy. I'd have done it already.
Sinyeka ko byoroshye kuko iyo biza kuba byoroshye simba naguhamagaye ngo tunavugane.
There's enough C4 down here to blow the whole block.
C4 ziri hano zaturitsa n'inyubako yose ikajya hasi. Ni ibisasu byo mu bwoko bwa C4. Mugabo yatangiye kurira niba agiye kwipimira umugore nibyo ntazi. Adapimye umugore we. Iriya cyereke shows hari kiri bube hakagira n'umushaka gusohoka.
You're running out of time.
Igihe kirimo kiragufata.
1 life or 10.
Urica umugore wawe cyangwa mwese mushya.
Please.
Ndakwinginze.
I'll do anything you want, but you don't kill her.
I'm not going to kill her. You are.
Ntiwaheretse kunyicira umugore ntabwo ari ugiye kumwica ni wowe.
To know that I mean what I say and I do what I mean.
Ugomba kumenya ko ibyo mvuga ari byo sobanura kandi ibyo mvuze mbikora.
Makes it easier for Kelly. Why don't you shut off the lights? The cameras have night vision.
Wenda niba ukeka ko mukinisha gerageza uzimye n'amashanyarazi urebe kumbe yabumvishe kare.
Come on, Tommy. Let's go. There's got to be another way, man.
Tom yatangiye kurira.
Help me out here, man.
We're approaching 1 minute.
Umunota hasigaye umwe we. We approaching 1 minute. Umunota wanyuma Tom mucinya telefoni yarayitaye.
Honey.
Ukundwa.
Look at me.
Ndeba.
Honey, can you
Ukundwa ndeba. Madamu we Karen.
get you out of here, okay?
Ndakuvana no kujyana mu rugo.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the lights out.
Nizimya amashanyarazi.
I'm going to scoop you up in the darkness. I'm going to carry you right out of here, okay?
Mu kanya gato cyane ndaza kugeraho mpite nkujyana.
I need you to do me a favor.
Girira imbabazi.
Whenever I turn the lights out,
Nizimya amatara.
I want you to be very still. Okay? Can you do that?
Ugume uhagaze wemye gusa ntugire ikibazo wabikora undi ati cyane.
What's over, baby?
Ntugire ikibazo mukundwa. Umugabo gusa yabivugaga sa ye.
I love you.
Ndagukunda arasa n'uwenda kurira sinzi niba sinzi imyanzuro agiye gufata. Rwari rwamushyize ku isuzuma. Rimwe. Ko byagenze nibyo ntamenye. Deadly Impact niyo filime dutangiye Deadly Impact. Umugabo wavugaga yitwa nde amazina y'inyakuri. Filime rasa nari bw'igitangira Shin Patrick Flannery. Akarimo cyane Shin Patrick nawe twaruraga mu kanya. Joe Pontoliano ni umugabo gukina agafilime kitwa Baby's Day Out. Joe Pontoliano agukina kandi kitwa Matrix. Carmen Serrano akarimo cyane Serrano. Greg Serrano nanone akarimo nawe. Abakinnyi bo ni menshi cyane. Joe Pontoliano mwibuke mu dufilime twici, mwibuke muri Baby's Day Out, mwibuke muri A Better Way to Die. Joe Pontoliano, Frederick Lopez na Michael Miller abo bose n'abakinnyi. Umugabo ko yakihebye Amanda Weiss ndetse na James abo bose baragukiniye. Umugabo ko yihebye ntabwo twongeye kumenya inkuru ze uko byagenze. Amasaha yagiye yicuma ndetse n'iminsi iricuma. Musuka iminsi yicuma ari umugabo w'umuhanga hano. Ari byo arimo gutunganya bimeze nk'ibisasu. After za detonator yagenda kwigurira mu isoko akaza kipange bisasu ku giti cye. Umugabo w'umuhanga cyane. Katarori. Mugabo w'umuhanga cyane. Imbunda akoresheje kandi nta polisi kumufata kuko ibikumwe arabihanagura. Agiye kwerekana ni muri Thailand. Hakuna arimo aritunganyira izindi C4 yikorera ibisasu n'umusederi n'umusuderi n'umukorikori n'umunyabukorikori. Ntabwo ari umukonikoni abakonikona bari abarozi. Uyu ni umugome ariko uzi umuntu kwica nimbe n'umurozi arakuruga ntuzanamumenya aguteza shitani nkuru nyamayuru. Tugaruka muri New Mexico nyuma y'imyaka 8 bya bintu bibaye muri Mexico. Hari uwari muri restaurant nta cyambara n'amashati yari bahebye menye umudamu yarapfuye ni wa mugabo Tom.
Yo le pregunté a Cupido que con cuántas se contenta, que con cuántas se contenta. Yo le pregunté a Cupido y me contestó al briguito.
uko umugabo yakicaye muri resitora yakomeje gucunga ku ruhande hari umukobwa wari uhari ntacyo arimo gufata kandi nawe ujya mu kabari ntacyo agiye ajyanywe n'ubusa iyo uzi ngo uri umumira busa ntujya mu tubari. yarahagurutse arigendera akomeza kureba umudamu mureba.
Tom Armstrong?
niwe Tom Armstrong.
Are you Tom Armstrong?
niwe Tom Armstrong.
I am. Why?
niwe Grega undacyawe.
Spoken English in a while.
Podemos hablar español.
That's fine.
sawa.
Kind of missed actually.
Sigabo yabaye rukubuko nta nubwo akisokoza.
For a few minutes? How about I buy you another drink?
wabugura icyo
How
kunywa.
about tomorrow?
oya ihangane.
No, that's not good enough.
ntabwo ari
It
byiza.
wasn't easy to find you, and I deserve a few minutes for the effort. Can we just have a seat?
wakwemera tukicara ko njye kubwira iby'umugabo witwa Wayne.
Yeah.
yego yumvise izina Wayne ahita ajya kwicara. Wayne ni cya cyebe kigeze kumuhamagara hashize imyaka 8 kirasira umudamu.
How'd you know?
bimeze biteze.
Nice lady. It was the CIA. They waited till I left the building, thrown a black bag over my head, and they judged me off to Washington.
namenye kuri wa FBI ko nakubonye nta muntu upfa kwinjira mu kabari ntagire icyo afata. watutse Washington.
Just accent, but even I can hear some Quantico in there somewhere. And standard issue 40 cal Glock.
namenye ko ari ikikugenza.
Yeah, pick up on it. But any decent car can spot an agent. Well, I see an agent try not to look like an agent.
suravuga amagambo menshi ntagiceceka.
Isabella Ordonez, FBI.
Isabella Ordonez
Retiree.
ni wa FBI. ni byiza guhura nawe.
Perceptive for a retiree.
hari icyo ngufitiye.
Well,
sawa.
boy.
ni iki?
I was hoping that you could just listen to this tape.
hari wakumva yewe
Anything about help?
ntabwo nyishaka gukorana
All I
n'abapolisi.
need is a few seconds for you to listen to it.
mbabarira muri segonda make byumva.
It's taken me a while here, but I finally found it.
nta makuru ya FBI
Got it, and it'll take all of 2 minutes.
That won't take 2
iminota
minutes.
mike.
I'm not going to leave. This is important.
ibi bintu ni ingenzi nibyo byanzanye.
The Lion is back in Albuquerque.
Wayne yagarutse muri Habakuki. wa mugabo cya kihe cyagarutse mu rwa Habakuki.
You get it?
We're close.
mwabimenye mute? undi ati twari hafi kumufata.
Intercepted a cell phone call he made to an associate.
Habakuki yahamagaye ku biro byacu tuza gufata amajwi ariko ntabwo tuzi ngo niba arayi.
And him.
wakwemera ukicara niwe wenyine wumvisha amajwi ye. Gwiki umusore arongera aricara. niwe wenyine usa amajwi ya Wayne kuko bavuganye kuri telefone.
We have is the Karam Club Saturday, 8 o'clock sharp.
tuzahure kwa gatandatu.
Car, storage rental, and explosives.
saa 2 top uzanye ibiturika uzane n'imodoka.
Get out.
ngomba kwinjira muri Colombia nkanasohoka.
You're sure?
uravugisha ukuri?
Yeah.
yego niwe. It's him. hashize imyaka 8 aribuka ijwi rye.
The judge just needs a reason to issue a warrant.
akira uramutse wemeye gukorana natwe rero.
We'd like to have you come back to Albuquerque.
gusa kuzaze mu mujyi wa Habakuki niwo ngiye gukorera umupolisi wankwana na FBI.
Your role would be strictly as a consultant.
tuzemera winjire mu gipolisi ukorane n'abapolisi ariko uzakorana n'abapolisi nk'umujyanama w'abapolisi kuko icyo kibe niwe wacumvishijwe wenyine. abapolisi bazi izina gusa Wayne nta n'uzi izina ryacyo rya nyaryo. hanyuma ikindi bakiziho ni uko bazi ko uyu musore wavuganye nacyo ijwi bafashe babanje kuza kumubaza aho yibereye mu kabari. basigaye yarabaye umusinzi wayo ni bwadira iki jya mbere kuri iyi duniya y'Imana ateze Yesu amaso gusa azamwijyane yirirwa mu bisengeri. umusore amaze kubona kobwa amaze kumwerezaho amubwiye ko ikiyebe kije mu mujyi wa Habakuki nta kindi yakoze. batangira kuba baramaka byeri hano nta nubwo ari byeri zisanzwe bamusukira rikeye. zirasindisha sha ziriya ziramena urazikubita zikagukubita. biba forofu nako kimwe asukayo. koze avuye muri New Mexico ahita yinjira muri Habakuki gusa yihebye yatangiye no kurira mu kabari. nguwo amaje kwinjira umujyi yumvise ko ikiyebe cyaje muri uyu mujyi ntabwo akizi isura icyazi ni ishusho yacu. kubaza ishusho yacu iki kiyebe ni hatari we ntabwo ari bya bindi by'imikino rwiheba rukanagaragaza n'urusura rwarwo. iki cyagiye kure umupolisi ukiza ijwi gusa n'abaturage na n'umwe ukizi gusa cyo kiratega ubundi yaho giteze kigahamagara mutabyemera. muri Habakuki barakwereka polisi kazi n'uwa FBI yari yambaye nk'abandi bose bajya mu birori mu kabyiniro. ngabo muri Parama barimo gucinya akadiho ko umukobwa uko bacinya akadiho akuta abakobwa basiga ku munwa we yari yazaniyemo kamera atangira gufotora buri muntu wese wari mu kabari arebe ko cyakiyebe yakibonamo mu kabari. kumujya umwe kumva ko cyaciye barimo kugishaka umukobwa ari benshi barimo kwinjira bagiye kwibyinira dore n'undi musore nguriya mwiza cyane wa Yanga nawe agiye kujya kubyina aho yari agiye kubyinira hafi aho hari imodoka yarije guparika naje guparika kuri ka kabari imodoka ni nziza dore ngizo nizo mu bitabo ni nk'iya Yanga hari ikigabo cyaciyeho gifite igikapu uyu mugabo aragiye mwibuka mu gafilime kitwa Matrix bamwita Joe Pontoliano umwibuka muri Better Way to Die Joe Pontoliano muri A Better Way to Die yari afite akaboko kamwe nguyu umwibuka mu kandi gafilime kitwa Baby's Day Out akana kagahinja rwose umugabo yari hano Joe Pontoliano bana b'imbunda ya sniper Gapimande uwo ni nawe mugabo cyaje wavugaga kuri telefone igena mubonye iminwa n'ubu ndayibonye niwe simbabesha n'ukuri durabaje kubyina yewe no wa musore yinjiye muri ako kabari we nta kindi kimuzanyeje guhura n'icyo kigoryi cyitwa Wayne umukobwa yasohotse mu kabari arangije azana kamera ye kugira ngo barebe amashusho niba cyakiyebe cyari kinjiye mu kibe kumbe kirano nacyo kirinda kwica umuntu mu kabari ntabwo cyari kije nyine ngo cyapimye neza mu kabari hano hari imbunda nziza cyane ifite telekomande ni ipima hanyuma cyarangiza gupima kikarebera muri telekomande target yifashe ifite ibikoresho mpuzamahanga tugaruka hakuno muri FBI irakora neza akazi neza cyane dore wa wundi wari umwunganizi wa Tom hashize igihe kirekire ako umukobwa yifotoreshaga ku munwa nako yikanaguzaga umunwa niko kafotoraga amafoto abantu bose bari mu kabari yazanye amafoto yabo bashakishe mutazwe kiyabe cyaciye imbere ya Tom ntiyamenya ko ari cyo nta kizi kereka ijwi ryacyo ngicyo kiratambuka bamubwira ko ari cyo yakirya n'amenyo n'umunwa akawurya uzi ko cyamwica umugore Silivopure Jotampure muraho kinjemo indani kije guhura na Rasta muraho Rasta kera yacuruzaga amakariso none asigaye ari umuntu ukomeye dore nguwo afite na bodyguard nta ntwaro uzagira
They intercepted last week's call. The question is, are you an informant or just stupid?
Watch your mouth.
Ngomba utanga amakuru ku bapolisi cyangwa uri ikigori ngo umunwa wawe wa mugabo
Then no.
twarumvikanye deal
Everyone came with a date except me.
Ndabona buri muntu yazanye ikintu cyica kereka giyewe cyabanje gukora kuri bodyguard cyumva afite imbunda polisi iri hano bashatse ikebe barakibura amafoto y'abantu barayakurura bo barimo barakorera mu modoka Yesu biri nyuma gatoya hari umuntu urimo mu kabari kumbe hari urimo Tom
Oh my God, that's Tommy.
You Tommy?
You're really starting to piss me off, you know that?
I wouldn't want to do that.
ntuzongere kunsuzugura ya sinabikora
We're in a club filled with women. Look for the boys who aren't checking them out.
nta kindi cyanzanye nagira ngo nze tuganire turebe imari yacu ukuntu imeze n'ibikoresho nagutumye ko wabinzaniye mwana urabizi
That's what you want to do.
urakeka biraza gukora
Then I'll create a diversion. We'll get out of here.
mpereza ibyo nifuza duhite dutandukana Tom kuki waje hano hantu kumva umupolisi wa FBI kazi ahita abwira Tom amaze igihe kirekire adakorana na polisi
Check out the table out the window. You'll find the clock. Man seated as a bodyguard.
hari abagabo bonye hirya hariya nyeka ku cyebe gishobora kuba kiri muri umwe muri bo kumbe kuko niho kiri
Do not interfere with this arrest.
utaza
Yes, in court.
ko twinjirira mu kazi twagutumije nk'umujyanama uzi ikihebe arangije atandukana umupolisi aramubwiye utatwinjirira mu kazi bose bari bamenye ko kiri aho hafi Tom nibaza ukuntu yabimenye gusa birimo barakwereka cya cyebo
Go on, Green.
Copy that.
Where's the key?
urufunguzo rumwe give me the key kumbe kihebe cyari cyaje gukorana na Rasta ariko mwana twegere ntukadufate nk'aba Babiloni imana urumva tuba twajyaje imari ngiyo sibyo man
He and his team arrived.
ntabwo kivuga menshi Joe Pontoliano
The KCI in the car?
Yes.
ibyo nifuje byose wabimaye ndati cyane urakoze cyane uriya nawe bamuha kasheki kumbe target mu mutwe arayirebera kuri telekomande imbunda ye yesitaye hejuru cyangwa sheki itari wakantu niko wamuginga we umbeshya amafaranga nawe makubera iki aya pemye mu mutwe we koresheje telekomande rangije turitana akabari yewe data we tajya haguruka ndakoresha telekomande gusa remote controller polisi hanze yari yamenye ku kihebe gihari ntibazi icyo ari cyo binjira bagiye gutabara kumva abaturage bose barasohoka biruka cyahagurukiye mu baturage nta n'umwe ukizi kereka twe tukibonye we hatagira umuturage ukata umuhanda yewe data we yavuyemo amaraso ameze nk'agakoma we yewe turage Tom yarebye neza abona hano kuna abaturage barimo guhunga abona ikigabo cyahunze mbere oya gisohoka gikurikiwe n'ikindi kigabo nanone gifite imbunda cy'urukara boss wacyo ni urashwe icy'urukara nicyo cya bodyguard akurikira ibigabo byombi ni ukuvuga ngo uri imbere ashobora kuba ari we kihebe yarambonye ntiyamubona neza akurikiwe n'undi ufite imbunda kandi bombi nta n'umwe wazanye imbunda byemerewe Tom kumbe nawe yari yinjije imbunda kare nubwo atakira umupolisi hashize imyaka 8 yarihebye ikigabo cyamwica umugore ikigabo cyaramubwiye ngo niyirasire umugore arabikora kurikira ikigabo polisi nayo itangira gushakisha buhafi FBI Federal Bureau of Investigation ntabwo FBI ariyo yaje yonyine ahubwo bahereje n'ikipe idasanzwe yitwa SWAT kugera kuri wa wundi wari ufite imbunda kuri iki kihebe nawe cyamugaritse sasa rero geze hakuno abona cya kibantu cyari kiri cyasize imbunda yacu iresitaye n'imbunda igendera kuri remote control polisi bari hejuru barimo gukurikirana w'ikihebe cyarasiye nabo barahiye gifite ibikoresho kipe y'abapolisi hasi Mr. Tom biragenda bite Tom arimo arashaka ikihebe wenyine we peke yake barimo kugishaka abona imodoka iparitse iraka amatara ntigenda ninde uyirimo turebe nicyo cyatuzinduye ayanyu ashiremo neza naje kuyarya ntabwo ari ukuvuga ngo nimugomba kureba kumbe kirimo indani cyabonye Tom muri televiziyo aje kiramuha nawaragiha dore amasasu hejuru yacyo urugabo dore imodoka kuntu yayitobaguye Raka policeman on duty polisi mu kazi yongeramo irindi sasu rimwe cyavuye kuri moto kare maye ntabwo akizi isura Araka ibi byibuze biragaragaza ko ashobora kuba kizi kuba nahanganye na kimbone nkubone nkumi ku yindi Tom agatwe ka kasike ya moto Tom kiramuha Joe Pontoliano kiramuha
What the fuck are you doing here? I gave you a chance. Why did you come back?
Nagwa amahirwe akigoryo ushaka wiki uko cyugaruka.
Now I'm going to kill you.
Niteje cyo kurangiza wa kigoryo kigiye kumutera icyuma kumbe. Polisi yari shituritse yamwongera gicaho. Cyaramwongeye gicaho.
Freeze! Stay where you are.
Nuba uri wa muswa we. Ari ndije yaryaje. Sebo yayiwa rimubwira kutava wari. Nawatunga cyakera imbunda. Kinjemo hano indani. Nuva uri cyangwa ngo upime se inkozi wa mugabo we uyu ni umupolisi mushya ntabwo azi Tom amaze imyaka 8 yaravuye mu kazi funga umudomo sinakwizera igihe cyose akiraho kandi yumva indi moto iratse basi yamuciyeho mutareba umupolisi sasa wa fake nguyu aho gupima ikihebe yifatiye mwene wabo
request assistance
mbonye ikihebe ndakibonye gifite n'imbunda over nimuza tugikurure over muzana n'amapingu menshi harimo n'iminyururu nk'iyimbwa
behind your head
ndo FBI mabaka nyuma y'umutwe we cyamubujije kuvuga agiye kukibwira ngo ikihebe ngikiriya kiramubwira ngo ntiwongere no guhumeka beri ya mbere ni mwiperereza nitwa Ruferedi nje kumenya none ngaho byawe ntabwo nari nakumenya yangane cya Ruferedi yangane ngwizukuri
and has us scrambling. Tonight was our best chance in years to catch him and we missed.
Uyu munsi yaramahirwe yacu gufata uriya mugabo Wayne twahombye
Listen,
Umva.
I welcome any help that you can provide to this investigation.
Twakwifuza imbaraga zose n'ubushake ndetse n'ubufasha watanga kuri iri perereza.
Vigilante.
Kubera ko ariko ikintu kimwe turi bugusabe ntabwo dushaka kujya ngo ugende uri umuntu ushaka kwihorera. Yagiye gutera ikibe nta wundi mupolisi abwiye kandi aribo bamubwiye bati ikibe kiri muri uyu mujyi. Katurori.
Years ago.
Just tell him I'm not really feeling up to it tonight, would you please?
Musore. Mugenzi inshingano nta kindi agomba gukora. Atari kureba ukuntu yafasha gafasha polisi. Biragenda bite Katurori. Kwereka hakuno ko polisi yarimo kukigaho ikigabo. Aho kiri gihora gitega amasaha yose kirimo kiratega kumbe gifite mwene wabo basashavu menya bakorana umurimo. Mwene wabo aje kumureba mubandi. Nigebe muzuka. Ho! Yewe. Bite mubandi.
I thought we closed Panama.
The case is closed when it's finished. That's what
Nabo kurikiranye muri Panama ikirego twakivuye ahubwo nje kuba kandi kazi.
This is going to generate a good deal of attention. So, do with Casper once it's over.
Mwakire passport zanyu akazi karangiye. Tujye gukora akazi gahambaye.
What's the matter?
Ufite ikihe kibazo kureba cyane? Tom Armstrong.
Back into the picture.
Ngo yagarutsa guhiga.
Tom found his way back to Albuquerque uninvited.
Tom ari muri Albuquerque sinzi ukuntu yajemo. Umva. Niba Tom ari muri uyu mujyi natwe ntabwo turi gukorera akazi.
For that, David. You want to fuck with Armstrong for sport?
Tom arashaka kumukinisha Armstrong n'ukuntu agufite ikibazo. Ntabwo duteze ikibazo. Ahita afata umupagasi.
You're not in a position to refuse.
Gicucu ntabwo uri mu rwego rwo kumakanira ibyo nifuza. Mugiye gukora akazi. You are not in a position to refuse. Fungurira umupagasi aramusohora ngo baje muri uyu mujyi kugira ngo bakore akazi gahambaye mu mujyi wa Habakuke. Hanyuma ntabwo arimo gukora wenyine none afite n'ibindi byewe bafatanije. Kumbe Tom Armstrong polisi FBI yari mutumiye. Yarwanye n'ikihebe icyo ni gitangaza cyabaye. Ikindi kandi yavuganye na cyazijwi ryacyo. Ikibintu katarakibona isura. FBI yaramwemereye yinjiye mu kazi no mu buryo bwemewe.
Come on in.
Injirira.
On my home away from home.
Looks like he's been traveling the world enjoying himself, doesn't it?
Looks that way.
I remember that case, but I don't think that was a lion. We were actually able to rule out his presence in India, so...
We ruled it back in. It's been a while since you've been updated. Why don't we have a seat? Get started.
Yeah.
Ikihebe gitangaje cyacyo polisi iragikurikirana. Polisi yagikurikirana baramenya ahantu cyose cyagize gitera gusa igitangaje ntabwo bamenya n'igihe kingana cy'icyahamaraga.
You saw the bodyguard enter the alley and you followed him. Then you found him dead with his throat slit. Was there anything else?
Approached the van. It was fired on.
Tom yatangiye gusobanura ibintu yabonye. Cyaje asohoka yasanze imodoka iranga ideparitse gusa yabanje kubona umurambo. Mu modoka amenya ko ari mu kihebe. Wabimenye ute? Ntabwo nigeze mbaza. Kugira ngo bamukoreshe neza abandi ba FBI ntabwo bamwiseye neza ku buryo babanje kumubaza ibyo yagiye ahura nabyo. Ikihebe kumbe kiri hakuno kirimo kiritegura kirihindura amasura buri uko bishoboka ndetse n'uburyo bushoboka. Icyo kidashobora guhindura nijwe. Barakwereka kirangije guhindura isura cyaje hakuno kijya mu hoteli nimo cyasabye akazi.
Yes, sir. What's your name? Carl, sir.
Witwane nitwa Carl Nyakubaho.
Oh, I've been here 2 weeks because...
Hashize ibyumweru bibiri mari kumbe ni rukubo. Rwari kwiyoberanye noneho urimo rurakora mu hoteli ikomeye cyane.
Watch what you're doing. Yes, sir.
Utunganwe n'ibyo ukora yego Nyakubaho munyihanganiye kabisa.
Just get it cleaned up. Yes.
Ngaho komeza hanagure yego Nyakubaho manager w'ihoteli ni muzenzukira rwose arabyibuhijwe n'ibituze by'ihoteli. Kumbe ikihebe kiri hano. Cyarabanje gipfuka amazuru kirangije gifata akabido karimo ibintu niba ari ibiki kiramena ahantu hose cyo kipfutsa amazuru cyahinduye isura.
Oh, Jesus, Carl, what does that smell?
Carl, wani munuko nyabati wa muswa we.
Animal mean anything to you?
Just that he mentioned it in a taped phone message. We looked into it, but it didn't connect with anything. Why?
polisi yakomeje gukurikirana bakurikije ubutumwa cyohereje n'amajwi gusa cyohereje ku majwi ntago bashobora kuba bamenye isura ya Kizite bakita Wayne ariko kiyita amazina yacyo nyakuri ntabwo kijya kiyatanga Katorori.
You're not investigating him. He's leading you into some kind of a maze. You only find out what he wants you to find out.
Wumva ntabwo apfa gukora iperereza ku muntu nk'uyu nguyu utazi ikiruta nuko twamukora iperereza dushoboye kuba twanamumenye ubu turwane no kumenya isura ye. Isura ntabwo byoroshye na Thomas Jr. Baro genda vyano virano.
Let me make come up to you.
Tejo muno komwote umva.
He's got his own company. He's a good town man. I broke it. I own it.
Mukuru wanje niwe mukuru w'umuryango nkorera ushinzwe isuku. Hanyuma kubera gariwe munyamwanda mukuru w'abanyamwanda nakabashinzwe guterura umwanda nibwo nabanyamwanda nyine. Ndaza kumuzana nubwo nahamenye ibintu binuka mukuru wanje araza kuzatunganya nimugira ikibazo. Uba sinshaka kujya ngo nongere kubyumva. Genda ntuzagaruke hano genda ubwire mukuru wawe asaduhanagurire hano ngo arabikorera ubuntu mukuru we ko ari wamwohereje. Bari mama shenge kino no cyazanye n'inda. Kihindura mu buryo bushoboka. Kihebe mpuzamahanga. International terrorist.
Asked to sit in with us tonight. I believe most of you know him from his time at DEA.
Yeah, thank you.
Ndacheka Amos muramuzi yakoraga DEA yarushinzwe kwibura abashaka kurwanya ibyo bwenyu nawo nundarashima basori.
What you need.
We got a letter from the Lion today.
Nifuje kuba byo mwifuza byose.
To the FBI, I have the city of Albuquerque in my crosshairs. You can no longer protect the citizens you are paid to protect.
Umva butumwa cyohereje none abapolisi.
$100 million to be wired.
Ndashaka miliyoni 100 z'amadolari abaturage ba Albuquerque nimugishoboye kubarinda neza ibisasu mu mujyi wa Albuquerque uri mu maboko yanjye.
Will be provided at the appropriate time.
Andi makuru arengaho ndaza kuyabohereza igihe nikiba ngombwa.
The Lion plan to take control of the city, and how are we going to stop him before he can do it?
Niba iki kibe cyarangije gutega ibisasu muri uyu mujyi turakontrola abaturage bacu kugira ngo badashira.
Okay, well let's be honest. I mean, the Lion's wanted all over the world. What's he doing back in Albuquerque? That's where we should start.
I agree with 3 of the assassinations, but 2 of the others just don't fully.
Iki kibe nari nyize kujya kwica umuntu kitumye ngo umuntu runaka none mi ntago byumvikana ukuntu cyatangiye gutega abantu benshi cyateza umujyi wa Albuquerque niko kibabwiye ngo cyateza ibisasu mu mujyi hose Albuquerque.
3 of those examples, there was 2 goals achieved.
Police El Salvador's removal of a high-ranking official that allowed for a corrupt replacement also brought down a fairly significant roadblock. The smugglers coming into and out of the region. Park assassination, as you know, that did shut down resistance, allowed the drug lords to continue to dominate the area. But the other 2, Mexico and Peru.
Hano hanyuma ikibe cyashoboye kuba cyatega umusore amaze gukurikirana muri ya myaka 8 yari yicaye yavuze ko hano hanyuma yashoboye kuba yamenya ari muri Mexico na Peru.
Into the regional political situation.
Biragaragara ko turi muri situation idasanzwe ko ikibe ntabwo kigeze cyicara.
Heavily influenced by Central and South America.
Uko kiticaye kumva uyu nguyu nawe yabaga yihebye iteka gikurikirana cyahoraga muri Amerika y'Amajyepfo n'uyu munsi kiracyari muri Albuquerque. Cyageze mu rwa Albuquerque noneho.
Work time. I want you and Ordonez to team up on this one. All right, any questions?
Hari ibibazo mufite?
Okay, that's it for now.
Ndakeka twese twaba dusohotseho gatoyi. Babahaye amabwiriza. Chebe cyarangije kare gutega umurwa Albuquerque. Shumbe diro wa mugenzi wa kera umwe bari kumwe cyaje yari yirasura umugore bite Tom.
Yeah, it's good to see you too.
So listen, dinner sometime this week?
Wakwemera rimwe nko mu cyumweru kaza tugasangira mu rugo.
Great.
On
Thursday.
Sounds good.
Great.
Byiza cyane.
She's great. She finished grad school at UNM, you know. Did a good job at hotel. Boyfriend's not a total loser, so.
Madamu wanjye abonye akazi keza ubu ngubu nabonye gukora nk'umuhombyi.
Can I see you in my office for a minute?
Tom waza mu biro tukavugana kanya gatoya. Kumbe wa mudamu wamushatse Tom amusanga muri Mexico. Yagiye mu biro. Ikiebe byajemo na senator umukuru w'umujyi. Nawe yaje rwose avuga ko izo miliyoni 100 bitari ibintu byoroshye. Kirasa miliyoni 100 kiraza ko niba ngombwa kirabahamagara. Kwereka umukobwa yari yateguye gaceke n'akabuji.
I'm in the FBI. Make a wish.
It's been a while since I've celebrated a birthday.
Hashize igihe kirekire ntishimira umunsi wanjye w'amavuko sinzi n'ukuntu wabimenye umukobwa kumbe ni wa FBI.
Thank you.
Yaramushimiye.
I have something else for you, Tom.
Tom harakane ngufitiye.
We had your APD files transferred when we reopened the case. And this was in one of the boxes. It was at your wife's feet 8 years ago.
Urwego rw'ubushinjacyaha twagiye dusanga ikirego cyawe kugifungura basanga icyo cyarakwica umugore. Usibye ko ari nawe wamwirasiye kugira tabara abandi. Ari amashari yarasigayeyo. Yawe n'umugore wawe. Nahisemo nayo kuyakuzanira ku munsi w'amavuko. Ni nko kumwibutsa be bapfuye. Tom yarafite umunsi w'amavuko wa mudamu wamushatse muri Mexico mu FBI amusiga mu biro. Kumbe Tom buruko yibutsa umudamu ababara cyane kandi ubugabo rwishe umugore we ruri muri uyu mujyi gusa kugira ngo azarumenya agasura usibye twe tukazi uwanyinjiza inyuma ya televiziyo ngo mbereke nahita ngenda nkakerekana sikyaga ari we rebye umugore we arongera aribuka uruko yibutsa ararira birababaje kome nyuma y'ifoto bari bamuzaniye hari yanditse ngo ndagukunda mugabo wanjye Tom bagize undi munsi mukuru w'ubukwe tugaruka hakuretse hasi uyu mugabo papa nzukira rwose dore ngo mukuru wa cyakindi cyari cyamenya aho ngaho umwanda nicyo cyagarutse kiragenda kigahindura amasura aba ntabwo bazi umupagase ko
You want it fast or you want it good? I'm doing it for free so you
Oba yamenye ibintu bimeze nka acide biranuka cyane ndabyo ndakuyakorera ku buntu mwabasukwa mwe kubera muri umuna wanjye mukazana ibigambo byinshi reka mbaze mbatunganyirize aratega mu gutega ibisasu yagiye kuri arimo aratega hoteli yarabanje amenye ibintu binuka baramwirukana aravuga ngo giye kuzana mukuru wanjye araza kwa batunganyiriza araje none amenye sima mu nsatega ibisasu mu hoteli Tom bamutugaruraho tuvuye kuri cya kindi ki hoteli noneho kiteze ku mugaragaro bose babireba nanjye nabibonye we dore ko polisi perereza
Hello?
Wake up. I just thought of something.
Haguruka icyo mbonye.
I think you may be looking at the office tenants the wrong way.
Everyone checked out. It's a dead end, Tom.
He's good at stealing identities. The names may check out, but I want you to look at the faces. What employee there would go unnoticed?
Okay. I'll meet you at the office.
Iki bari ikintu mugomba kumenya ubyanze bikunze kirihindagura. Sato mundaje tubiganire ukumva ko yakabivuze koko kirahinduka ngiki hakuno kiranje gutega dore sema cyayishujeho na ntuza hejuru.
No, it's from Carl. He's still a little embarrassed.
Mwana wa ndumva hata kinuka kabisa rwose kirimo cyagenda ugikarume rero ugikarume bwose.
Nice job.
Koza kazi keza. Nice job. Ngo agenda karume muri umunawe. Undava ku job kumbe ko kabakoreye akazi. Filimu zikaribwe uzikwaribwe gitangira we ubu noneho ndahugutse tugiye gukomeza ndahugutse we
Hey there. Good news?
Could be. Sterling Cleaning Service rotates a night crew, and the guy that was supposed to clean the Carom Club on Saturday night didn't show. Hops is checking with APD for a name.
Umunsi kinjira muri biro hari hakoze Ortiz n'ikipe y'ishuri.
I'm fine.
Ntabwo nari mari.
So you normally have this many heavy hitters in the same building?
No. ATF and LEU move in today as part of a line task.
Hari abandi wabuzi bari ku kirego cy'ikihebe undi ati ni ETF, FBI ndetse na SWAT, Special Weapons and Tactics. Niko bakomando babita ni SWAT n'abashinzwe gutabara biri ngombwa. ATF na irimo Anti-Terror Force bashinzwe kurwanya ibyihebe.
They got an address for the janitor for the office building. The guy's name's Carl Mosler. I want you and Tom to go check it out.
I'll get on this.
Twaje kuvumbura hari hotel twavumbuye ngo hari umuntu waje ku
The line wants us to wire the money to him, so our C-Tech department is designing a web page to handle the transfer.
watekereza ko gishobora kuba cyatega amahoteli kiragenda kikubira ahantu hashobora kukaboneka abantu benshi. Miliyoni kirimo gusaba
Different banks, they all run through this address just with different faces.
dufite za banka zirenze ijana hano muri computer yacu no kuvuga ko cyatubwira ngo dushyire amafaranga kikatubwira konte yacu byaba byoroshye kugira ngo tube twakurura umunsi cyagezeyo kuba twanakimenya tukagifata murakeka kirabikora se.
About tomorrow. Where are you with the investigation?
Iperereza ryanyu rigeze
About it.
nyakuba turi mu iperereza rikomeye cyane uyu mukuru w'umujyi.
$100 million?
Miliyoni 100 z'amadolari.
You know we can't even get close to that amount.
nta nubwo icyo giciro tugifite muri uyu mujyi.
Pay it.
Urabizi na leta ya Amerika ko idashobora kwishyura ayo mafaranga byibuze.
So, how do we get around that?
Ibintu turabitunganya dute?
Looking at every available option, sir.
Nyakuba dutekereza uburyo bwose bushoboka.
Missing cleaning crew member named Carl Mosler in the Karam Club bombing. Agents Adonis and Armstrong are on their way over there right now.
Umukobwa Mel ndetse na Armstrong bari mu nzira bagiye kureba ahantu umugabo yishobora ko yarahamagariraga. Dukeka ko ariho yarari bagiye kureba niba koko kiye bariho cyari kiri. Kumva ko cyahamagaye kuri telefoni. Haraho bakuriye gishoboka ko cyaravugiraga. Bajya mu karitsiye abaturage bahari nimbarwa babarirwa ku ntoki dore imodoka ya mbere ngiriya undatuye hakurya cyasize n'akamodoka muri iyo nyubako polisi babiri bajyayo Tom nawe bamushubije imbunda bamuhaye n'akazi nababwiye ko mugutse we inyungu zanyu mugiye gutangira kuzibonera kuri iyi nzu arakabarinjira kumbe dore kwinjira dore ku muryango ikintu kiriho ntacyo babonye.
Oh God.
Mana nyakase cyo niki kintu ukara
Call on forensics.
Wagira ngo ni umurambo cyangwa ibirenge bya bwadiri. Agabanuka ibirenge byawe ukagira ni umupfura aho hafi.
I need a full forensics team at location ASAP.
Ko gatangira guhamagara kuri radio arangije isubiza mu ntuza hariya arongera arayibika. Bamaze kuvuga aho bari bageze mu ikika ngo barumva bananuka ziko hanuka guhera muri salo kugena no mu byumba wagira ngo warukoze ku muhumeka. Binjirayo filime nk'iyi kuki mwaba mutazindutse kunguka we muri mu nyungu gusa kugira hakuno ngara akaramba ka kera.
He's making this personal.
Uyu mugabo yigaruye ku giti cye. He's making this personal ngo arimo ari ibintu arabigira ku giti uko byari bimeze atangiye kwangana na Tom noneho umva amagambo. Tom,
you throw one hell of a punch.
Usa nuneye ingumi kumenya aho narindi.
He won.
I don't have a family, and sadly I'm not in love.
Mova nta muryango ngira kandi ikindi kibabaje ntabwo ndimo gukora jenyine muri iyi minsi. Muraza guhiga benshi.
For that kind of money.
Bagicucu.
Not the time frame you gave him.
Nta faranga uri bubone.
To fail.
Uri hafi kunanirwa. Tom sindarangiza reka mbanze mubwire.
Why aren't you wondering how long before I blow up the house?
Uratekereza n'iminota ingahe ntaraturitse iyo nyubako?
Wait. Oh, how did we do it before?
Bwa mbere hajya twabikoze dute kinyara mu dufi tw'umuntu. Cyaje mu rugo rwa Tom neza Tom yagiye kugiga nacyo kigiwe.
Well, it might be unfair to make you kill a woman. Then again,
kada gatangaza.
So come on, let's do it, Tom.
Tubikore Tom.
Shoot her.
Get out of the house. Get out.
Uwa nawe mwica. Soka mu nyubako. Soka hano.
Let's just count down.
No, that's not gonna happen.
Ntabwo biri bwongere kuba.
Come on, she's practically a stranger compared to your wife.
Umva Tom.
9, 8, 7, 6, go!
Kamubwira ko ngiye guturitsa rimwe kabiri gatatu kirabara. Tom none ndakubeshye. Baketse ko nyubako kigiye kuyituritsa kumena nako kiturikije. Kiraseka kuri telefone naga telefone arakajugunya. Muswa ni hatari aramenya naho bari. Bataza aho ari. Muswa ni hatari. Umuswa kumbe ya hoteli yagiye gutunganya cyagihe akajyana n'utwasiga mu hoteli mu ndabyo arakara indabyo yasize arangije cyasiga telefone yarasoni. Telefone ko yagahamagaye. Umva amagambo kumbe dore mu hoteli bari batangiye gukora.
Hello? Oh, Amy. Now we're going to be spending some time together today.
Mukobwa uyu munsi wose turamarana turi kumwe mumite muri aho cyagina n'umukiri urimo gutereta. Mba mukobwa.
I want you to walk to the corner of the bar. There's flowers and knives.
Ndagira ngo ugende mu nguni yako kabari dore hari indabyo.
As gently as possible. Oh, and Amy.
Umva Amy.
I can see you right now.
Ndakubona nona.
Don't panic.
Wireba urimo kureba.
Is panic.
Cyateze na za kamera.
I placed bombs throughout the entire hotel.
Nateze ibisasu mu hoteli hose uko bwenda kurira. Witinye.
You do as I ask, I won't hurt you.
Nuko ibyo ngubwiye sinkubabaza. Kiramubwira.
Listen to me.
Nyumva.
Your customers will start to worry if you cry.
Abakiriya banyu baragira ikibazo nutangira kurira. Fungura neza ndabyo zamure witonze. Iyo ni detonator na gaturitse.
Will not explode unless I choose to detonate.
Ntabwo kari buturike kereka misemo.
Because they're pretty.
Izi ndabyo sanze ko ari iki? Ni nziza ntacyo wazikoraho.
Explosives. I've just activated the locks on the door.
Kobwa muto.
If you don't believe me, you can go and check them yourself.
niba wumva kutanyizera usoke hanze uraza kumbwira FBI igiye kuza ndetse na police umukobwa agiye gusoka inzugi zirafunze.
Would you do me a favor and announce to everyone in the hotel that we're in a hostage?
Ngirira imbabazi ubwire muri mu hotel ko ari imbohe.
There's a bomb in the building.
Kandi mu nyubako harimo ibisasu.
And if they try to leave.
Hanyuma ubwire ko ugerageza gusoka ari buteze ikibazo. Gakobwa yarakabwiye nako kajya mu bakuru.
Excuse me everybody.
Munyumve mwese.
The hotel is currently under a bomb threat.
Igise bisatu byuzuye mu hotel. Ubwira gutyo shaba Amerika. Mana nyagasani ari kaida yahageze. Nari kaida yaje. Menya sababu bafatani.
Stay calm. Let anybody.
Oza wa mwana we tangagira bakiriya nkakwirukana ku kazi. Mve nubundi biruka no kuva ku kazi kabisa gupfira. Dore bakiriya yewe data we. Bini na dani yazanye na shababu bazanye. Ubwira marabareba. Mukobwa tuza nta numwe wafungura izo nzugi na zidadimba ishoboye.
But first, I want you to contact the television lady.
Ndagira ngo hamagara umudamu ukora kuri televiziyo. Uhe?
That's right. I like the idea of a pretty woman giving bad news.
Ndagira ngo umudamu mwiza cyane ari uza gutanga amakuru yose nifuza.
And that I personally requested her to cover it.
Uwo mudamu muhamagare kuri telefone umubwire ko ku giti cyanjye rye umubwiye ngo ndashaka ko yitangira ayo makuru.
Thank you.
Urakoze.
We just received an anonymous tip about a possible car bomb at the Nativo Hotel.
Nativo Hotel yitwa Nativo none atwakiriye inkuru igaragara ko ngo yatatswe n'ibyihebe. Gwiki?
Guess who's signed the cleaning team? Who? Carl Mosley.
Shit. I just sent an officer over there. Let's go.
Nanjye nari maze kubona amakuru hari icyo wagiye ngo kwatunganya witwa Carl. Ni umuntu wagiye gutunganya aho hantu muri hotel.
On the east side of the...
Mukobwa muto komeza ndebere polisi nihagira uze kumbwira. FBI. Cyane.
For the FBI arrived.
Nubona hari polisi yegereye iyo modoka uze kumbwira gusa. Kandi ndagucunze nukora amakosa yo kutambwira nawe ndakwereka. Umba abapolisi baraje na Tom arimo. Polisi yaraje neza yegereye Mercedes. Hari uhangeze.
That fucking rookie, what the hell is he doing?
Get away from the car! Policy! Oh! Yeah, data ndimo ndashirira muza we. Ndimo gushirira. Barimo kubigira iboroshete.
Explode.
Arahiye.
Yes, I think it killed a policeman.
Yego menya mana nyagatari menya napfuye. Bana muto humura uwo yarashaje. Abana bato bari bupfe bangana nawe niba bari mu mbabazi.
Should calm their nerves.
Icyo mfite kukubwira ni ukutabara gusa cyangwa se kwikanga. Arangije avayo hari wakomaga kukurugirwe n'ikihebe. Joe Pontoliano. Kombe rwa Bukamba niba yarayobye ajano ikihebe kiringire ngo ntahazuremo amashenge rwa Bukamba. Bafite inkokora shana amavi.
Anybody home?
Haruri mu rugo ra muze rwa Bukamba neza ni rwa Bukamba. Haruri mu rugo ra. Harasa nuzutse. Aka. Subwoba.
Very nice to meet you.
Yiza guhura nawe. Rwa Bukamba ko bakamuzanye ntashobora kuzamura akabuka iby'ibigabo bifite imbunda arabizi. Sutama mose. Je wa mwana we uri murampa ko wa mwana kumbe birangana.
Long. Please don't kill me.
Ndakwinjiza wenyita mfite abana mfite nabuzukuru busa nabamasigenda.
Hey, cheese.
Afotora rwa Bukamba.
Hi, is this your informant? See you soon. Are you afraid of me?
Wangira imbabazi zimbwire ndaziguha.
Then nothing will happen to you. Everything you need is on that cart.
Ibyo ukeneye byose biri hariya muri iriya ntuzo. In that cart. Ni ameze nk'aho ari mu kamubiko. Genda ukuremo. Ahita asohoka. Nawe yamufashije nyirenga ibyo yamufashije. Rwa Bukamba ko yakirukanze.
Hi, Amy, I'm back.
Emily nagarutse.
Wigan is here.
You've done everything I've asked.
Wakoze ibyo nifuza byose.
Get the phone to Miss Mulligan. You get out of there as fast as you can.
So kanone mwimbo aho ngaho muri iyo nyubako vuba byihutirwa ushyire wa mudamu umunyamakuru Mulligan iyo telefone.
You still have much to contribute to the world.
Uracyari umwana isi iracyagukeneye wenda kubabariye soka atagira ndiri gusohokana nawe.
Sketchy.
Mana nyagasani agatangaza je kabaye bamamagayana. Wanyimamagaye ngo ni ikihebe. Noneho ngo cyateza abantu. Abanyamakuru twebwe nkatwe dufiye namwe ngo nyiguhe.
I've just been given a cell phone.
Muraka kanya bamaye telefone bantu bareba televiziyo yanyu ni televiziyo yanyu tuhari ku bwanyu namwe mukaka ku bwacu ubu none abarambwiye ngo kiyebe nicyo kinyohereje telefone irasona.
Hello.
Hello, Miss Mulligan.
Madam Mulligan. Bakiraho FBI.
We can't allow this to be broadcast.
Ntabwo twakwemera ni wateze n'abaturage kugira ngo bijye mu makuru none angaha bijye mu itangazamakuru.
We aren't negotiating. I'm telling you what to do.
We ntabwo mwumvikana nanjye ndabwira icyo gukora mwa polisi mwe ntabwo mujya mwumva.
Rig the hotel with enough explosive to destroy the city block. You do as I instruct.
Nije wataze mugi hanyuma nije wataze mu hotel murakora ibyo mbahitishamo.
The families of the victims know.
Their loved ones died in vain because special agent and
ndashaka kujya mumenyesha abaturage bose b'umugi bene wabo bapfuye barengana ko polisi itashoboye kubarinda n'abakuru b'umugi ngaho telefone yisubiza uwo munyamakuru kazi. Hari Nyagasani.
Thank you.
Murakoze cyane mureke ngiye nitangariza amakuru umunanye mbonye igihugu abanyamakuru cyayo babonye urugamba.
Tell me what's going to happen to the hostages.
Kirebe ngo kigiye kumbwira ibigiye kuba kumboye.
Miss Mulligan.
Mva Madam Mulligan.
Do not lump me into that crowd.
I'm
a thief.
Mu baturage ngo ndikihebe genda umujura. Don't call me a terrorist. I'm a thief. Ngo wingira ikihebe genda umujura.
Julie, do me a favor.
Mwihangane abaturage bareba televiziyo yacu aranyibwiriye ngo si umwicanyi ahubwo ni umujura ntabwo ari ikihebe.
Say bad words. Come on, Julie, put him on.
Telefoni bayiha Tom. Wogishaka niwe Tom.
What is it like sitting there knowing that all those innocent people are about to die?
Tom, bimera bite wicaye ngaho uri cyangwa swagaza ukumva abaturage bose ko bagiye gupfa.
I'm going to put that hotel into orbit.
Iyo hotel ngiye kuyigira nka kashkereti bayekenye mu menyo. Tom yanze kwitaba. Avuga.
Detective?
I heard.
Afan.
Yeah.
Rame.
The money's ready to be wired. We have a web page set up for you to verify.
You know that web page is a dummy.
And the moment that I log on, the feds will trace my location.
Do these guys have any intention of wiring the money?
Tom, urabizi neza.
I can't speak.
Kuba mpamagaye kuri iyo telefoni ndabizi mwatangiye kurura aho ndi.
So, answer the question.
Subiza ikibazo amafaranga barayama.
The FBI cannot negotiate the terms that you are demanding.
Ntabwo yakumvikana n'ibyihebe.
However open.
Hari byinshi bagomba kubanza kwiga mu kugwa ayo mafaranga. Tom, ntabwo bari buyame ndabyumva.
FBI needs to understand how fucking serious I am.
FBI igiye kumenya noneho ko ndi seriye muri aka kanya kandi. Hanyuma kandi bigarukira. Hano nanga yaye makuru se kandi komeza je ubwire abaturage barandeba abaturage mu ndeba kuri televiziyo yanyu ndahagaze nta kintu kimagaritse nakazi.
Yes, this is the biggest break of your career.
Now, I'll contact the FBI.
48 hours to give them a chance to wire the money.
FBI nyisaha ya masaha 48 48 hours. Kuba bakwisubiraho kuko ngiye kubereka ikindi kigo.
And because of this inconvenience,
kubera uko kutumvikana
$1 million.
Ngiye kubereka ko ndi seri ndashaka none $2,200,000 yari yasabye ijana. FBI ngo agiye kuyikigo yewe.
Today is a lesson.
Arambwiye rwose baturage mu bandeba kuri telefoni ngo none harasa $2,200,000 amasaha 48 ubwo ni iminsi 2.
I caused this building to explode.
Abaskware kambere kako ndi seri ye.
The FBI caused the hotel to
FBI byose nibiteye. Ngabageze hejuru. Yaka Jopontoliano. Bareba hakurya y'hotel iri. Yarayihaye n'abaturage barimo. Nta mikino no masi. Yeah. Nta mikino. Hotel.
I'm not going to kill her. You are.
Tom yatangiye kwibuka aho yarari n'umwe mu bakize ngo ubona bari mu bitaro. Cyaraturikije shawo. Dora bakize yewe bacitse ku gisasu abandi bacika ku macumu n'imyambi bacitse ku gisasu.
Hey, you've been sleeping for 19 straight hours. I was worried.
Yewe wari uryamye amasaha ashize ari 19 udakanguka nari mfite ikibazo wari uri muri koma tarevu. Yari yamanutse muri koma.
He's fine. He's got a few cuts and bruises.
Harundi yamubajije aramubwira ngo afite ibikomere bikeya few cuts and bruises.
Someone else make it out of the hotel?
Mu hotel abandi bavuyemo. No, oya. Abari mu hotel bose baciyo. Ubwo nta mikino rufite.
I don't think I could do this anymore.
Sinyeka ko nakomeza ndo umupolisi na rimwe.
I hesitate.
Mubwije ukuri.
I don't trust my instincts.
Ntabwo jewe nshoboye kugira icyo nakwimarira. I can't trust my instincts. Kuba ntacyo ushoboye ntacyo umutima wawe namukubwira kizima.
Everybody at the hotel.
nageze ku hoteli iraturika. Umugore wanjye yarapfuye nanjye bamwirashyiye ikibe kintegetse ntacyo mfite nakora.
When I was at the academy, make ends meet. She was one thing all said.
Ngiye kubivamo iki kibe bagiye kureka kugihiga ko mu mukobwa arumva.
Really mattered.
Ntacyo nakora.
It happened, and there's nothing you can do to change it.
Umva byabaye ntacyo wabihindura.
Lives that night.
Gusa ndagira ngo ukomeze uhagarare.
Forget that.
Utekerezeho.
And now you have the opportunity to make things as right as they can be.
Ufite amahirwe yo kugira icyo uhindura.
I'm not doing this without you, Tom.
Ntacyo nakora atari kumwe Tom.
At the beginning, and you should be there at the end.
Kwitangirira wari kiriya kibe cyiza muri uyu mujyi none ugomba kuba uhari kugeza ku iherezo tukibonye ndakwinjiza Tom. Kumbe Tom yananiwe. Bakita Wayne n'izina ryacyo ntabwo barizi kumbe cyahinduye ibirindiro. Aho cyari kiri bwa mbere cyamenye ko Rwabukamba ashobora kugiteza abantu. Kirimuka n'ibikoresho kandi. Ho! Gifite uko gikora gifite uko kigenda nta uzi ifoto yacyo nta nuzi isura yacyo kerekijwe. Kandi uzijwe nawe ni Tom gusa niwe bahora bavugana usibye n'umunyamakuru yiyongereyeho na wa mupolisi w'umukara yiyongereyeho zikeri rukara. Kirongera kijya gusudira ibindi bisasu C4.
You come up with anything?
Noneho cyasabye miliyoni 200 cyabasabye ijana banze kumva kibasabye 200 katurori z'amadolari.
Till explode like that, which makes sense since you use PET and grout mix. PET's will make a cake.
So you specialize grout when you lay the floor tile?
Yeah. I asked for all the hardware receipts from around town, see if I can pick up any odd pairings and purchases of tile and grout. It's going to take me a few days to get all the receipts back, but I do have one receipt from Rack's hardware store that is interesting. What they did is they isolated it down to the amount of tile and grout they take to cover the floor. Then they divided that into two categories. Those paid by credit card, those paid by cash.
How many paid with cash?
For that amount of tile and grout in the last month, 14.
These are shots from the hardware store.
Musore yatangiye kwiga kuki bagomba gukurikirana abaturage bashobora kuba
Tile grout patio cleaner is the target. Parking lot cam footage.
bashobora kuba bakoresha muri uyu mujyi za credit card batagaragaza amafoto yabo. Hanyuma kuri ya hotel yari imaze kurimbuka bamwe mu bakozi bigeze bagereho kamera zakuruye harimo umwe muri bo.
Go back to the hardware store parking lot, exterior.
Uyu mugabo asa n'uwa mbere waje ndetse akaza n'uwa kabiri.
Police officer issuing a citation. See if you can get the dash cam. Maybe able to pick up a plate on that truck.
Hari uyu mugabo yabariwe cya Joe Pontoliano babonye ifoto yacyo cya Wayne. Gusa ikibazo ntago baza amazina ye. Bafata amafoto.
I don't know how. I'm telling you the truth.
Ndababwira ukuri mu
wrong with your machine.
It says you're a confidential informant for APD.
Biravugwa neza kuri umwe mu batanga amakuru abashinzwe gushinja ibyaha rimwe na rimwe wabonye umucyaha.
That's everything I know.
Mbabwiye ibyo nzi jewe.
A real psycho case.
Umugabo yaraje ameze nk'umusazi.
He offered me a job.
Amakazi amijobu.
PD and I ain't even got my CI money yet.
Nakiri genda shaka nagafaranga sinamenye ko n'umugizi wa nabi.
He wanted me to help with assassination of Senator Cordero.
Yambwiye ngo ari nangaha ngo niba namukorera akazi cyane cyane ko kwica umuntu.
Call the senator.
Rwabukamba kumbe yari umusirikare kera.
He might be the target of an assassination attempt.
Dufite amakuru ya hano wari umusirikare kera duhaye amakuru adasanzwe. Kanya tugaruka kwa senator.
Hey,
Wayne.
I bet you know what this is.
What do you want?
Wamenye wundi we.
I want you to do what you politicians do best.
Mwebwe abanyapolitike mujye mukora ibyo mugomba gukora bya mbere. Gutabara abaturage banyu. Urabizi miliyoni 100 zaboneka.
You need that kind of money.
Ayo se ndi yakubwiye.
So give me 20.
That's an insane amount of money.
It's your family.
Nabasabye ijana murango ubu muri amagana 200 we wibwo no usaze. Abambere ntibanimbutse mureba. Ndarwembura n'abakabiri. Akaje kose ngakire hasi se. Agenda ndicaye aho ndicaye arimo aramagara senator mukuru w'umujyi.
On Albuquerque. You pay me, you save the city.
The FBI released
Urama amafaranga ajya. FBI dukurikirira amakuru barimo kuduha rwose muri Ghana arimo aratanga amakuru Julie. Baravuga neza ko rwose ibintu uko byakabaye iperereza rigikomeje. Ikiyebe cyo bamenye izina ryacyo ngo ni Wayne ariko ntago basize nakavukire ryanye na Seni barizi bakibatije iryabo.
Just about to go over.
Tanga amakuru kumbe gutanga amakuru.
If I can find you. I brought a snack. If you want to join me. It's from one of my favorite bakeries in the world.
Oh, God, I can't.
Come on, I ain't gonna tell anybody. The building's practically empty anyways.
Tom kumba afite wa police kazi umwishimira cyane.
Here at this hour.
been on a diet since my divorce.
I didn't even know you're married.
hashize igihe kirekire ntandukanye n'umugabo. Umva umudamu ukuntu yatangiye kuzana Tom kumva yizaniye utwo kurya hano.
All up for this.
Umva,
I've always liked your wall of death there.
mukobwa narakwishimiye uburyo wakurikiranyemo ikebe n'ahantu hose cyagiye gitera no muri Afrika cyagezeyo.
So why'd you get divorced? I mean, if you don't mind talking about it.
No, not at all.
Bari niwambwira iby'uburyo watandukanyemo n'umugabo wawe niba wumva ntacyo bigutwaye.
Good agent and a good wife. I guess I just couldn't figure out a way to balance the two, you know. And then one day I realized that I was a divorced workaholic.
Numva nimwe nibwo naje kumenya ko natandukanye n'umugabo kubera inzoga. Niko bimeze koko. Cyane.
I am. I mean, I hate to sound like a cliche, but the work we do here makes the country a safer place. And
nanga iyi mirimo yacu ariko nanone kuba dukora aka kazi rimwe na rimwe twumva dutamba byinshi kugira ngo abantu bagerebe ko baba barasangira. Mbega ibituzo rya hanyana ibishyimbo bya Nyakari. Tumva komeza kwigubitira icyakora nabyitaye uko muri yari mubwira ko yatandukanye n'umugabo undi nawe mwibuka yatandukanye n'umugore.
you know, I guess someday I would like to have a husband and some kids, but
rimwe na rimwe njya ntekereza niba umunsi umwe nzazinduka nanjye mfite abana.
and have everything right.
Gusa hari ntabwo biragenda uko mbyifuza.
What?
Iki kundeba nabi. Aya iri ni ijisho ry'imbabazi bimbeshya ngo niryo mushinye.
Sacrifice the most and actually deserve the most.
Numva abantu bazitamba bagatanga byinshi kugira ngo barebe ko abandi babona byinshi nabo bagomba kuba bakwiye byinshi. Ubwo aravuga mu rwego rwa gipolisi. Baritanga kugira abaturage bagire byinshi umutekano ibyabo birindwe. To protect and serve. Inshingano zabo. Cyakubwira. Sikona kubonyemo potential. Uri na potential. Aha. Dore ko yanga asobanura. Aha. Mwihangane. Urugo ryawe ruri uko bari aho kiri cyo yamanutse hasi kumbe cyarabumvaga abona cyateze kera naho bakorera.
What is it?
Niki ceceka cyabumvaga.
Are you hungry?
Urashonje?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Nanjye nuko bose
Go get some to eat.
hari tujye gushaka ibyo kurya cyarateze kera. Baravuze ngo tujye gushaka icyo kurya banga kuvuga ngo dore hano cyarahateze kuko kibyumvije cyahita kibaturitse batazarabura ko cyageze ahantu hose.
All right, well, the video from the cop's dashboard cam gave us a shot of the
Iki kiyabe cyumvise ibyo tuvuga byose niko bimeze ni ukuvuga ngo nawe kitinje no mu biro byacu cyagezemo no mu mago yacu.
So we're going to do a sweep of the entire building for weapons or bombs. We just have to make sure the line doesn't get wind of what we're up to.
Icyo tugomba kumenya nuko n'ibiro byacu naho dukorera hose hashobora ko hari ibisaso tiza ari mu kazi baramuhamagaye.
Hey, baby, how you doing?
Bita mukundwa.
Hey, Agent Alba.
Who the fuck is this?
Bita ikintu cyandi.
Got somebody wants to say hi. Hold on.
Hari ushaka gusuhuza hano turi kumwe cyahamagaye Otizi noneho mugenzi wa Tom bakorana muri FBI. Ngo wari ushaka gusuhuza. Ari banguruye simuzi. Mana nyagasani. Ho!
You fucking touch our son.
No.
Gitutu kamukoraho.
Kumukoraho namukozeho ariko ntacyo namutwaye.
You know, I just need you to help close Panama.
What the fuck is Panama?
Urabizi neza ko wigeze ubaho muri Panama. Muri Panama nakoze iki?
See, made her all upset.
Ndakubwira icyo ukora. Cyaramamagaye Otizi avayo nta wundi muntu ugeze abwira ko cyamushimutiye umugore.
Nothing, man. I'm just tired, you know. It's tomorrow's the line's deadline, you know.
Neza sawa na.
Yeah.
We didn't scoop him up tonight, but we're going to get him. He was in the FBI building, so I had to go through a background check.
Kiriya giswa nubwo cyageze mu nyubako za FBI byanze bikunze tuzakibona. Turimo turasatira hafi.
Where he is.
Igihe gito turamenya naho kiri. Kumbu yafite ikibazo cy'umudamu cyashimusi.
Client's name is David Caplow.
Izina rya cyakiyebe cyitwa David Caplow. Bakibonye n'amasura.
Finally got through the records of the night cleaning crew. Turns out that he worked in this office about 6 months ago as a janitor.
David Capro musuzume neza ubigisigaye no kumenya aho ari gusa.
Downtown's running the books for any additional numbers, contacts, addresses.
Tumenya abo bavugana nabo, abo bakorana, address ko akunda kubari.
Name and face, guys. We're gaining on him.
Twabonye isura ye basore kugira ngo tugifate ubiroroshye. Arakabas. Telefone.
Hello, Tom.
Bita Tom. Kahamagaye Tom.
You know, it must kill you to know you've been this close to me, and yet you still have nothing to show for it.
Umva ukomeje kugaragaza ko nkurikiranye ariko nafite ugaragaza ko ushobora kumbona.
You know, I don't like your tone of voice right now, Tom. You can't touch me.
You can't touch me. Ngo Tom ntabwo ushobora kumbona na nubwo wankoraho. Gicucu nzakubona.
Well, you must have sucked down too many tequilas down there in Mexico.
Muri Mexico cyeka ko wigeze umbona yo cyangwa se wigeze unyumva ariko wakoze amakosa ntabwo wigeze umbona.
Did you kill your wife and blew up that hotel right in front of
Kwita umugore wawe ngaturitsa n'iriya hotel cyeka ko wasambana ufite umujinya ndabizi.
Even pissed in your fishbowl.
Ndetse nageze ni wawe udufitwa ufite mu gacupa natwo ndukamuraho.
I'm going to hurt you, Tom.
Nzakubabaza Tom.
I know about your new girlfriend. I guess you're...
Nzi niba igikobwa cyawe gishyashya ufite muri iyi minsi.
Morning.
Nzakibabaza nacyo.
I'm going to make it long and painful for your little Chiquita.
Ngiye kubigira ibintu birebire kandi shabi kubabaje cha uraza kubabara igihe.
What more do I have to take from you?
You're not taking anything from me again.
Ntacyo wakongera kunyambura wa kigoryo. Natangira kugituka.
You, Tom.
Kiramutuka.
Want to escalate things? Fine.
Tom, here's a number.
You can't catch me.
Ntabwo wankoraho.
I'm invisible.
I'm invincible. Invisible ntabwo mgaragara na nubwo mboneka.
I know your name.
Kumbe bamuhaye na nimero yacu ya telefone mpamagarira nimero y'iki kigo cyitwa David Caplo. Nimero umukobwa arayihamagara.
When that picture hits the airways in 20 minutes, the whole world's gonna know who you are.
Umva nzi sura yawe ndetse nanone nzi n'amazina yawe.
Your life is over.
Ubuzima bwawe bwarangiye. Aragikupa ndapfuye we yamenye. Ahita ruhamagara no kuri telefone nimero yacu yarayifite noneho.
Gap is closing, motherfucker.
Umukino nanjye wagicucu ndapfuye tu. Ho!
A lawyer representing David Caplo just called the office. Caplo has agreed to turn himself in at 2 p.m.
Uburanira Caplo mu nkiko ye nibwo agihamagara nanga ku biro bya FBI atubwiye ko Caplo ayemeye kumanika amaboko
not to seek the death penalty.
hanyuma kandi akemera kwemera icyaha ngo niba leta itari mu mukatire igihano cy'urupfu muri Amerika kiracyariyo.
143 active leads regarding Caplo's truck and sedan.
Dufite Caplo anu yagiye atega muri Sudan inshuro 143.
Caplo decides to walk in here with C4 strapped.
Caplo ashobora kwinjira mwana afite igisasu ngo araje amanitse amaboko kugira ngo twese duturike. Rero ndagira ngo abapolisi bose mabwire bitegure kumbe Caplo ntabwo akora wenyine afite abapagasi dorapagasi hejuru. Baracunga ibiro bya polisi hasi. Mwitegure mutunge hanze Caplo atatwinjirana nabaje amanitse n'amaboko. Nuko banza kumusakira hakurya tukareba ko nta bisasu yitezeho. Dore abapolisi mama shengi FBI. Kumbe Caplo ntabwo ari wenyine ahubwo afite abapagasi. Abaginga sana. Ose bosi barabona bosi apfa kujyayora kandi ari bosi.
Assistant. Listen to these questions. Did you meet with the lion? Answer yes, that was true. Did the lion offer you a job? Yes, that was true. Did you refuse the job? Yes, that is false. Is the lion
yatangiye kujya mu kirego rwa Bukamba bamubazaga.
True. Are you informing on the lion? Answer yes. That's false.
Uriya mugabo nawe yaratubeshe. Menya arimo gukorana na Caplo.
Actually, he paid Skittles to come here and tell us that he was going to kill the senator.
But there'd be no advantage in that.
I don't get it. It makes no sense. I know his name now, though. So we track his whereabouts. Compare that to the whereabouts we have in the lion file.
Ubu igisigaye no gushakisha Caplo ahantu ari Caplo turamutse tumenya ahantu ari ibintu byose biraza gutungana.
Wait and see what the CIA has.
And Panama keeps...
Bakira umukobwa yaje guhamagarwa kuri telefone.
Yep.
Yego?
No.
Oh yeah.
It's not a problem.
Nta kibazo.
Going that way anyway.
Buretse.
All right.
Sawa.
The self-storage garage manager called, said he saw the press release. A guy who fits the description is renting a storage unit from him. I have to go check it out. Call me if anything interesting happens, okay?
Umva nihagira ikibi cyari cyo cyose kumamagara ko bari bamamagaye ngo harundi ufite ukubina akeka kuri Caplo ni umuntu akeka ko ari kibereka tujye kumureba.
Okay, Senator, I've got the first half of the money.
Umva Senator, amafaranga yanjye wayateguye miliyoni 200. Uravuga ibiki?
I'm emailing you 40 addresses now after you verify that they're legitimate.
Ndakohereza adresse nka 40 z'amabanki ugomba kunshiriraho ndahitamo imwanyuma kandi ikindi nuko wakwitegura. Addresses. Ikindi kandi umenye ko ufite umuryango ndawufite. Kibe gikurura umuryango cyane ngeze cyagukoresha icyo gishaka. Wa mukobwa ngo wamuhamagaye ushobora kuba afite amakuru ya Caplo ahantu yaba cya kihe. Nawe yaje mu modoka agiye gushakisha ngo amakuru yewe hari umuturage wamuhamagaye. Mukobwa ko yakaje. Myerson iziye katroli. Oye nje ngoje. Yewe kome nicyo cyamuhamagaye. Kirahinda kuri kashaho. Iki nicyo tu.
Oh, great. Wow, thanks for coming so quickly.
Ngwino ngwereke kabisa. Murakoze kuje kabisa. Ngwino ngwereka nyeka kwicyo kibe kigeze kigera hano cyaragikodesha icyumba tugicyumba ntabwo twamenye ko rwose cyaje kwihiba. Nako naje kubibona ndavuga nigishobora kuba aricyo ngwino ngwereke kome nirwo rumujyanye. Yanye wa mudamu.
He's been in and out a lot lately. Strange. He's a strange fella. And he drives the same kind of truck I saw on the news. So I figured I'd call to let you folks know. Anyway, I hope I did the right thing, you know.
You did, and we appreciate your assistance.
Sometimes I think he even sleeps here at night.
Nongeye kibazo gena kibazo mfite rwose yari yakodesheje icyumba hano ni 24 mfasha gutya nkwereke ko muri kino cyumba. Kobwa nazi kijya mbere rwiberuraha David Kaplo bacitaga Wayne baje kuvumbura ko cyitwa David Kaplo mu nyuma ko cyaka mwijije kobwa ki kandagira mindani yabonye no rukorera to bisasu.
Tom, give me LEU forensics and backup.
Tom merezano na ngabo fasha unyohereza n'abashinzwe kuba batabara ibijyanye n'ibiturika.
What? Yeah.
Hey.
Yewe.
That down.
Shiri byo hasi. Cyari cyebe kabisa ni cyuma magari.
This is his storage unit, no doubt about it.
Tom hano ni wikebe cyakoreraga nta kubishidikanya ndabona za sifo ndabona bimwe bitega ibisasu.
What do you guys have?
Mutabaje mwene wanyu nawazi.
We were able to trace Caplo's location in South America by comparing his information.
Caplo bwa nyuma na nyuma twongeye kumukurikirana dusanga aracyari muri Amerika y'Amajyepfo.
Assassinate somebody, he named that job after the city or the country where he was hired.
So Panama.
Nanone abantu benshi ajyarimbura yarabahamagaraga bakamwakira nk'umuntu muzima.
Hired by a Panamanian drug lord named Zambada to assassinate somebody inside the United States.
Bahamagaye Caplo baramubwira ngo witwa Zambada n'ucuruza ibiyobyabwenge ngo aze muri Amerika aze kwica umuntu muri Amerika umuyobozi ukomeye tsari twamenya ninde. Mwitondere.
For unfinished business.
Caplo nabwo turimo kumushakisha ko atega ibisasu. Nukuvuga ngo yaje kwica uwashinzwe kurwanya ibiyobyabwenge ndetse cyane yabarindi.
Intergalactic cable management.
Caplo gusa ngo buri hamagaye abantu.
So do you think you got him?
Mukobwa arawe yageze abona kumbe hano hari ibyo bahindurira amasura amenya ko kiri yari cyo to.
Beards and mustaches.
Uwo mugabo yahinduraga amasura agomba kuba yarikekaga rwose afite ibibazo byo kwikeka abona n'ahantu gihindurira amanuza uruhu niba ari igikara kigahindura inzobe cyane yakoze ku mbunda ngamwana baragiho cyaramuhaye cyarashe umukobwa mu kaboko kiranamukubita kumbe gifite abapagasi bo nta kindi cyabazanye no guhereza abapolisi biga kuri Caplo gusa.
Check in when you cover the side and rear. What's like cover?
Tunga neza abasohokera inyuma. Ndacunze nta kibazo kabisa buri mupolisi sohokera inyuma ndamu.
Outside cover. All three.
Bimeze ko twabipanze.
Agent Alba, the address is checked out.
Alba ariyo butumwa.
Covering bombs now, however, you're still in danger. Why? 8 years ago, Caplo was hired to kill you when you were the DEA.
Nyakubara makuru namaze kwakira. Imyaka 8 yahise Caplo baramukodesheje ngo aza kwica kubera ko arushinzwe kurwanya ibiyobyabwenge utari waba mukuru umujyi. Caplo ari hano muri uyu mujyi yaje kwica. Urakoze cyane kumpa amakuru. Caplo cyamuzanye muri uyu mujyi no kwica umukuru w'umujyi.
Guys didn't find anything.
I got to detect C4 with a scan.
Ndashaka kujya nkurikirane Caplo amenya gute ibyo tuvuga naho tuvugira ndetse ko nawe je kuvumbura ko atega ahantu hose. Turebe ko nahandi yigeze atega.
He always does one thing to hide another.
Uriya mugabo akora ikintu kimwe kugira ngo ahishe ikindi.
Bugs. Caplo hired skills to pretend to be an informant. He's trying to draw out this investigation. That's what he's trying to do.
What the hell are you getting at?
Uri mu biki?
So you normally have this many heavy hitters in the same building?
Biyatangiye kwibuka byinshi. Moses.
We'll have the entire force operating under the same roof.
Moses. Nze neza kumba meza bahoraga bicaye ikigabo kirabumva kandi cyarateze.
He's trying to get rid of all his enemies in one shot, right here in this building. Every desk is packed with this much C4, it's enough to level this building twice.
Mugabo ntabwo yateza aho tubwira gutega gusa ahubwo ibirindiro bya polisi byose yarabiteze. Bakira uko bayivuga ngo bagiye ku.
We have everyone where...
hari imodoka yahageze ngo Kepler arizanye yewe ni wese cyangwa.
Copy that.
Move quickly but carefully. Grab your files if you can.
Musoke twavumbuye ko hano hantu hatezwe kandi mwitonze ibyandiko byose mubikuremo tugende.
Kepler's lawyer showed, but not Kepler.
Uburanira Kepler ni ugeze hano none ahangaha Kepler ntabwo yahaje. Kepler yabateze kera mu biro byabo batabizi. Aka. Na polisi basuka yewe kumbe target. Kuri wabo baramuhaye barimo gusohoka. Kimunasira ku muryango kimwe. Undi kiramuha. Nundi kiramuha ku gatafari umugongo. Ntabwo bishaka ko ari umupolisi n'umusohoka. Kepler ashaka kubaturitsa bari mindani.
Hang in there.
Bafite sniper hejuru. Kepler yari yatumye sniper. Mudahushka. Ndiyaciye inyuma n'abinyuma barabaha. Mana nyagasani kidufungiyemo indani tu.
Let's have all exits covered.
We got 8 minutes. What are we gonna do?
Nagatangaza kandi inyubako yose yuzuyemo ibisasu. Bafitemo n'umurwayi mukuru wabo.
You're on this wound. Hit the break room. Grab me back.
Mwitegura kugenda we. Hamagara ubufasha none ahangaha.
Meet back here. We're gonna build some cover to get out of here.
Natwe tuba dushakisha ukuntu tuvana muri iyi nyubako dusohoka tugenda. Kepler. Aho gikoreye ibintu gihita kihimuka. Kuri inshuro cyarimutse duraho kije. Ko wa mukobwa kimurasa nawe yakirashe mu kaboko. Kepler. Kugukomangira kwica yinjira mu nzu yawe akaba ari hakorera. Uwo cyaramurangije kirangije cyongera kugaruka mu modoka. Umuturage kishe kimwiciye iwe. Nza kuri wa mukobwa cyarashe cyamurashe mu rutugu akaboko hafi yakoze karavunika.
Understand? If you move, I'll blow your brains out.
Urava uri nakubwiye ndaguturitse ubwongo buve mu mutwe. Mukura ipingu.
Get up. You have a little too much to drink, I'll break your arm.
Bino nanga tugende. Fata akaboko kazima kandi kavunaguritse kubera amasasu. Gende. Cyari cyarashwa polisi kazi wa FBI. Dani.
Confirmed bombings, 18 murders.
Ka telefone je mutajya amagaro teams.
Secure right over there.
Amy's fine. When I get word you completed your task, as promised, I'll let her go.
Nagusezeranyije uramukoze ibyo nifuza. Umugore wawe ni umupfu ica uwo mugabo nabindi. Umugore wagenda ari muzima. Bagitumye kujya mu cyicu mukuru w'umujyi. Umukuru w'umujyi nano cyamutumye umupolisi ngo natamwica kiramwicira umugore. Hakuno arabashaka gusohoka cyari cyabafungiye mu nyubako cyohereje abapagasi bacyo. Umva ibi bipapuro biraza guteza umwotsi mwinshi umwotsi mwese n'utuma dusohokana basinaye batakitubona. Bana kibiriti.
Right, listen, I'm
Are we close to getting him?
No, whole place is where we belongs. Officer been shot.
Cyadohereje mu nyubako.
What are you talking about, Ryan?
Gibiki.
Made a deal with him.
Gifite umugore wanjye.
Man.
Ryan, you get it fucking together.
Cyanyoreje kwica umukuru w'umujyi. Biki? Ntabwo wabikora ibyo bintu.
He's got me in the same place.
Cyangeze nko nawe cyakugize bwa mbere.
I can't let him take my little girl, Tommy.
Ngo nica umukuru w'umujyi kiranyicira umugore. Ntabwo nakwemera ko cyica umugore wanjye Tom. Ngiye kwemera meya mwica. Kandi rurimo rurabivuga ruhagaze imbere y'umukuru w'umujyi. Umupolisi. Uyashaka ko
basaba.
Albert, umeze neza agent Albert?
Yeah, it's up.
Yega fund.
Family issue.
Ni ikibazo cy'umuryango. It's family affairs. Ngo ni ibibazo by'umuryango. Umukuru w'umujyi yaketse ko yapfushije nyina. Kumba umukuru w'umujyi niwe ugiye gucaho. Ni warimo kurira ariko zikurira umuntu ukiri muzima. Burapfuye 10. Abaheje abapolisi mu ndani mu nyubako. Nta kindi bakoze. Batangira kunagayo. Imyotsi myinshi cyane barayigiteza cyacyabe kiri hanze. Urusotse mwibuke kiramupima bagiteje imyotsi myinshi nta muntu kiri bubone. Ko cyagapimye kibona imyotsi itangiye kuza aginga cyabanye n'imitwe.
One more. Get him ready.
Kamwe kanyuma ni nkanagazo bitadusohoka ni nkanagazo soke imyotsi baye myinshi.
All right, guys, we ready?
Usara nanga murwayi vuba tugende. Ntabwo kikibona. Cyapfuye kurasa roho cyarasino ino rimwe. kirasa kitareba. cyashakishije abo gipima aho bavuye.
Strong got away. He's on the move.
Tom aracitse ari mu nzira arimo aragenda. Ngo iki? Haya uriya muginga kwatajya apfayo kicwa n'uburoro cyangwa inzukira bitebiye. Kikirawo gito gihamagara kuri ka telefone. Tom aragiye.
Yes, but where?
I'm with that nice FBI lady.
Bite Tom, nije muvugana ntabwo ari wa mudamu wawe mwiza wa kabiri.
You know the place. Bring ice.
Muri aka kanya uri mu byago ngiye kurangira aho ndi kandi use witonze. Kumbe dore babwiye ngo niyice mukuru w'umujyi. Aho kumwicira umugore yaremeye maze aririra umuntu ukiri muzima utari wapfa. No mukuru w'umujyi amugira mu kiriya tarapfa. Yewe data we. Meya! Baya! Umurinzo wa kabiri na otizi niwe baramuhaye.
Let him down. Send me an ambulance.
Meya araguye mwereza ambulance. Araguye bamuhaye amasasu menshi cyane ndeba. Over.
Cordero and Alba are dead. Panama's closed.
Is it confirmed?
Yes. What do you want me to do with Alba's daughter?
Let her go.
Toga mureka gende. Tom yari yizanye. Tom there. Tom there. Nyirinzu bamwishe kare. Yapfuye akoze no kumuhumetsa.
All habits die hard.
Komeje waigeze mushangwe no witonze. Wa mudamu kirongera kimutega gisasu umudamu wa Tom wa mbere.
You could save yourself like you did 8 years ago.
Nabikoze nk'ibyo nakoze mu myaka 8 yisi.
Come down and try to save your girlfriend. Come on.
Gira. Come on. Bwa mbere wabikoze.
5 minutes, Tom.
Minota 5 Tom.
You'll need a broom and a shovel to peel this kid up.
Cyangwa umudamu apfe Tom. Wongere wicuze ko umudamu wa kabiri apfuye n'uwa mbere waramuhombye Tom. Yana amatotoro wawe n'Imana.
Well, 4.5 minutes to be exact.
Ufite iminota 4 n'igice kugira ngo bibe birangiye. 4.5 minutes. Half ubwo ni igice cy'umunota. Urumva ko ari amasegonda 30.
That's it, that's good.
We miss.
Come out. Nice and easy. Would you throw that down now? Nice.
Kandi boro witonze imbunda yikire hasi.
Okay. That's good.
Yeza.
Hurt you.
Inagire hano.
Come.
Inagire hano Tom we.
Boy.
Yes. Kimwa mu kaguru. Kimwongera mu kabuno. Kigabo kira.
Now that's gotta hurt.
Kandaje mu gasura kacyo. Tom. Baka. Bera beto. Tom. Ho. Gumi. Tema kumenyo. Kumenyo. Kira mwigaranzuru. Nacho. Singi kigabo n'amaguru. Baragihindukiza. Amenyo hasi. Amenyo. Urayicyuma. Mukabuno kato yewe data we. Are mukabuno we. Cyuma cyo mukabuno ni kibi. Kiriya. Abuno. Muginga we. Wa mukobwa.
Cut her. I don't fight anymore. Whoa, you throw a hell of a punch. Now do me a favor. Put your cuffs on.
Komeza kuza ungenda wa muginga we.
Roll. Put him on. Atta boy.
Kuri inshuro y'uno mupfu. Tera amapengo kwanza.
Tommy. Good. The other one, please. Let me see. Open hands.
ngura amaboko turebe niba wifunze arabura umunota n'igice kugira ngo igisasu giturike.
Stop crying. It's gonna be okay.
Kobwa muraza gupfa neza humura. Murapfa neza nari. Hanyuma Tom.
You know you're gonna get shot as soon as you walk out that door.
Ukiva muri urwo rugi uraza gupfa byanze bikunze. Abapolisi baragutegereje meresi yo jacket ya wa muswa. Ya jacket wambara ku buryo bakurasha utap. Arayikinagira.
Thanks, Tommy.
Urakoze Tom, iruko ridashira. Cyarangije kare kubatega igisasu kirimo kirabara hejuru y'umukobwa. Tom yaricaye atangira gutekereza umuntu wa mbere yarapfuye bari kumwe. Akaboko maze agashyira ku kirenge. Cyegiye gukora nicyo nazi. Urwego rwagasohotse. Kumbe polisi yari irimo gusesekara hanze. Ruze ngo ruragiye yewe. Polisi. Imodoka yageze yari imwe. Kumbe kije cyambaye vest gifite na badge cy'iby'umukobwa.
Get on the ground now.
Nova uri wa muswe Nova uri.
Yes, sir. No, don't shoot. I'm on the job. I got an officer down. I'm FBI.
Du mu FBI nakubona bajyanye mu munoki. Dore na maina vest. Nukoki. Kira mwana waragize. Akubana yagasana uyu munsi nagize umwaka wo kundasa. Bandashaka bakira shisha kunuza hafi yivi. Polisi kiramwungira. Kijya mu modoka Tom yari yazanye. Cyongeye gucika. Japantoriano kumbe arasubira amasegonda. Uyu kabura amasegonda yagomba gukora ibishoboka maze aragenda yivuna udutsoki akura mipingu yewe data wenyewe. Bigomba ufite akaganza gatoya kuko ufite ikiganza kinini ntabwo ipingu warica kure ngo byemere. Mu nzira kigenda Tom yarageze igihe cyo kugira ngo atabara umukobwa. Agenda gacishimye cyane. Utamenya cyane nyuma haraturitse kirishima yewe. Bapfuye neza bari abaginga shawo barapfuye guys. Telefone irasona.
What?
Iki? Ponza mafari shawo. Kumbe Tom ni muzima.
Tom, I'm incredibly impressed.
Ndatungu.
How did you beat the clock?
None say watsinze ute yasa.
This ends now.
And how do you plan on doing that?
Gahunda.
I live.
Mbayeho.
You die.
You die. Wowe urapfa. Reba muri vest wambaye. Vest ni iki gipira. Cya gipira yamuhaye. Baraka! Ugira nabi shawu yerezo ukazahura n'ingaruka yabyo. Upanga kugira nabi gusa. Yerezo ukazahura n'ingaruka yabyo uzabaze kananura. Ho! Ingaruka yo gukora amakosa no guhemuka. Urayibona. Nibitinda kera.
When did you break the car?
Honestly,
I didn't.
Igisasu wagiteze mu modoka sinagiteze.
Break the vest.
Nambaye vest ya gipolisi.
I was gonna take him out with me.
Narinzi ko ndibuze hano ngasanga icyebe cyagushimuse nkagifata nkakijyana nanjye tugapfana. Niyo mpamvu naje niteze igisasu. Kumbe cyanyatse vest na nambaye kirayijyana kigenda kiteze cyonyine. Niyo ndata we uri umuhanga none se kugabunda yindutse aricyo gipfuye cyonyine. Niyo mpamvu ngoze kumuhemetso ndyamye aho ngaho. Yamukoreho kumuhemetso. Ibyishimo byari byose. Umusore mugenzi yakoze ibishoboka. Yarwanye intambara. Hamagara ambulance.
Tom Armstrong, APD.
Tom Armstrong wa APD. LAPD, Los Angeles Police Department. Yashakaga ubufasha ndetse na ambulance. Bombi yari yakomeretsewe n'umukobwa ubutoki bwe yabuvunnye yikura mipingu. Akazu bari imbere yabo karimo karakongoka ni akazu kahiye bari imbere yako. Yaramaze gusora umukobwa. Icyebe na cyaho cyahiriye cyarahiye kiragenda ubuntu kuzashingura ivu. Agafilime ko mwakoze kuza bishyuye imwe murakatsindwa gusa turacyakomeza abandi. Turabakunda nako nanibagiwe. Ariko amafaranga mutangerega bari make iyo mbazaniye filime nk'iyi mujya mu nyungu gusa urareba ukishima basi. Mwakoze kuza murabeho. Turabakunda Joe Pontoliano. Niwe witwaga Kaplo. Yari yanga kuva muri The One Video Library. Nizo umwaka urarangira zirangije we. Hagiye kujyamo izindi ariko uyu mwaka ndagira ngo urangire zirangije. Turabakunda cyane cyane. Bikurikirana n'icikwe. Turacyakomeza nanone. Turabasaba kudakora ku muhumetso mu gihe abantu ari benshi barimo urihangana nukore ku muhumetso. Ako nuko katenze. Ariko ndabakunda cyane cyane mbakundira impamvu iyo mutashe mujye mugenda uko mwakagiye. Sikegari we.